How to make your Windows PC run 5 times faster. In step-by-step tutorial part 3. Let's go. Disable Startup System Apps. Right-click the space area in the taskbar menu. Click Task Manager. In this startup dialog box, click Startup menu. Click Startup Impact. To identify the high and low impact of the system apps, disable the apps that you don't usually use. Right-click, then select Disable. Do this to other apps that you want to disable. Just make sure that you don't disable any Microsoft system to avoid errors on your Windows. If you are finished, just close the dialog box. For more videos like this,